make a Ghostbusters. Hello everybody, in this video I'll show you how to make Ghostbusters, and this is how the game would look. You have to find as many ghosts you can find in this game in 90 seconds. Now let's start how to make. So your first step is open Google, search Scratch. Press this link, sign in or create. And if you are signing in, then you can create and your project will be saved. I'm creating it over here. Now renaming it as Ghostbusters. And now, first let's delete this sprite. So here's my cursor, and either you can press this taskbar or right click and press this delete. Then you have to add a back. So touch your mouse over here. Then you can either paint it or upload it. But or you can go to my projects link and take it to backpack. And if you don't know how to use a backpack, you can go to my previous videos and learn. So, if you want to see it in this video, you can see. Here's my project. I'm going to see inside. Here's my backdrop. Paint. And you can take it inside it. And if you don't want to download these images, you can go and take the costumes from my project. So as you know, this is the part 1. So we'll be making backdrop, crafting and thumbnail. So now here's your backdrop. This is our backdrop. You can delete this. Now you create one sprite like this. Now press on paint or upload. I'm going to paint. Now press this over here and now do that thing same time. Print, and I got this. I'm putting this right now and deleting this. Now, first of all, you have to go to my backdrop. So click on this backdrop. Then you have to click go events. When I receive message 1, click over here, type start game. Then press OK. Then you have to take here. Then you variable time. And now press this on tick and type Ghostbusters. Now you have to also untick this. Now set show variable hide variable Ghostbusters, attach it like this. And then you have show variable time. Click this over here. Then variables. Click on this time which you created. Then you have to take forever and wait for 1 second from controls. Here forever, and you can this is 0.5 seconds. 0.5. Now you have decrease time. But how do you decrease time? Go here, then change time by -1, and because of -1 the time will decrease. Then go in controls, and if operations time is equal to 0, and take this time and attach it like this. Now what will it do? Like if the time is 0, then it will show a message, and with this broadcast over here, and you also have to stop the script. So stop the script and put it over here. Now we have to add a message, timeout. Then you have to events, green flag, show variable Ghostbusters, hide variable time. Now you can clean up the blocks. Then events, forever, and now in order to get the song of the Ghostbusters, you can go in a project, take this music, go into the project and drag it up. Here the block has come, and you can clean up the blocks. So this is the coding of my background. Now let's go over here. My sprite 2, which is my crafting. So sprite you can name here as crafting. And you can name this as thumbnail. Now let's start with the coding. Take when I receive, start, then click time out. Wait 1 second. Repeat 20 times. Looks, change ghost effects or change effects. Here by -5, and here ghost. Then add a green flag. Then add a variable ghost found. Then hide variable. And then put set ghost found to 0. Then looks. Then you have to take. Then either you can duplicate and write it to 100 and set. It's over here, set ghost effect to 100. Then you have to add one last box, show. Then you have to add the motion, which is 10 by 20, x 10 and y 20. Now this sprite's coding is done. Then here's my sprite one. Reset is thumbnail. And as a reminder, if you want to reset the name, then only you can. And nothing would happen if you don't. But I suggest you should do it. When we click whatever, and we get a timer of 90 seconds, so we have to do reset timer from set sync. When we click, go to front, go forward these many times, and then set ghost effect to 100. When timer is equal to 0.001 second, hide variable Ghostbusters. Then also hide time. And now clean up the blocks. And yeah, that's much it. The part 1. Now please get me 1,000 likes so I can do part 2.